Assalamu alaikum. Hello students. Welcome back to Nisa Academy. Shehnaz Sheikh here. Thank you for visiting my channel. So in the last video we completed the first 20 questions of the Goa board model question paper of mathematics level 2. Today we'll continue with the remaining 20 questions. All the previous video links are mentioned in the description box. Do check out. Also, if you have any suggestions or any doubts, you can comment, or you can connect with me on Instagram, or you can email me as well. And for all the notes, updates and much more, do join my Telegram channel. Okay, so let's begin. Question number 21. The probability of getting a red king from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards is. Now in the 52 playing cards, they are divided into 26 red cards, okay, and 26 black cards, right? Further, these are divided into 13, okay, 4 suits of 13 cards, right? And how many face cards? Yes, there are 12 face cards. So which are those? King, queen, jack, right? One in each of this 13. So king, how many king? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kings, right? But we have to see of only red king, of getting a red king. So see how many red kings are there? Favorable outcomes. Yes, only 2. So let's write probability of the event. So favorable outcomes are what? Favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. Possible outcomes. So favorable are 2, total possible are 52. So 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, and 2 6s are 12. So the answer is 1 upon 26. Yes, option B. Yes, okay. Next problem. Question number 24. The rational number having a terminating decimal expansion is. So in 9th standard, what you used to do? You used to actually divide and check, right, whether it is a terminating or non-terminating. But now you don't need to do that. Okay, we have some theorems in our NCERT textbook which help us to, just by looking at the numbers, we can tell that whether it is terminating or non-terminating. So I've just mentioned the theorem. You can check out 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. Okay, so now we just explain what exactly they tell you. So first, you have to check, given a rational number, okay, in the form P by Q. So first thing you have to check is whether P and Q are co-prime. Okay, P, Q are co-prime. Now what is mean by co-prime numbers? Obviously, which have HCF what? 1, right? For example, 3 and 8. So what is the factors of 3? 1, 3. What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. So tell me, what is the highest common factor here? Yes, it is 1. Right? So first thing you have to check whether the number P and Q, that is rational number P and Q, are co-prime. But if they are not co-prime, you have to reduce it so that P and Q become co-prime. For example, see 6 upon 4. Now 6 and 4 are co-prime? No, because the factors of 6 are what? 1, 2, 3, 4 is what? 1, 2. So you have 2 as a common factor other than 1, right? So what I can do is just reduce it. 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 3 by 2. Yes, now yes, 3 and 2 are co-prime. Okay, so first thing you have to do this. Then the second is what? You have to check the denominator. So that if the denominator is of the form 2 raised to n 5 raised to m, then the decimal expansion will be terminating. Okay, the rational number will have a terminating decimal expansion. Now what it means? For example, suppose there is a number 7 upon 40. So I need to check whether it is a terminating or non-terminating. So I will just find the factors of 40. So see here, 40, 220, 210, correct? 2 5s are. So now and this is 5 ones are. So can I write 40 as 2 cube into 5? Yes. 7 upon 2 cube into 5. So this is of the form 2 raised to n 5 raised to m. Yes, or 5 raised to power 1, no? So we can say that this number has a terminating decimal expansion, right? Based on the what? Denominator. Now you will ask me whether, if you have just the power of 2 or only the power of 5. Yes, in that cases also the number will have a terminating decimal expansion. For example, this number, suppose 3 by 8. Okay, so yes, in this case you can write 3 upon 2 cube. Yes, so this will also have terminating decimal expansion. Or you say 7 upon 25. Yes, I can write 7 upon 5 square. This number will also have terminating decimal expansion. So in all the three cases where either it is just 5 or 2, power of 2 or power of 5, or both power of 2 multiplied by power of some 5, then definitely you will say that the number has a terminating decimal expansion. But if you have this form, suppose 3 upon 2 cube into 7, okay, other than 2 and 5 you have some different number, say 7, 3, then yes, the number will be having non-terminating decimal expansion, non-terminating recurring, because rational number, no, so it is either terminating or non-terminating repeating, so it will have non-terminating recurring decimal expansion if other than 2 and 5 you have some different number. Okay, so remember, either you can have just 2 or 5 or both the power of 2 and 5, okay, but not some other number. So let's see the options now. Okay, so the options, 8 upon 15, yes, 8 and 15 are co-prime, definitely yes, but see the denominator 15, how I can write 15 is equal to 3 into 5, right? 8 upon 15, so 8 upon 3 into 5. Now other than 5 there is, yes, 3, right? So no, the answer, the option is not the correct one, because it will not have a terminating decimal expansion. Second option, you can directly see 5 upon 7, so definitely not, because in the denominator the number is 7. So no, this also no. Now see the third option. 20, how can you write it? So 20 is what? 2 square into 5. So can I write 23 upon 2 square into 5? Yes. Now you see 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m. Yes, in the power of 2 and 5. So yes, this number has terminating decimal expansion. Okay, so if you remember these two conditions, then you can just see the numbers, okay, find the factors of the denominator, and you can say whether it has a terminating or non-terminating. Okay, you don't need to do the actual division. So just check these theorems in your NCERT textbook, you will then clearly understand. So hope you understood this. Let's go for the next problem. Question number 25. If the point PXY is equidistant from A51 and B minus 5, then. So PXY, okay, is equidistant, means the distance is equal from A and B. So A is 5 1 and B is minus 1 5. Okay, so okay, they have given us the option and we have to find like a relation. Okay, this type of problem is there in your textbook exercise also. So now let's see. So PA will be equal to PB, equidistance, no? Okay, so distance, formula, so I will just equal to. So now see, this I can write, what is the distance formula? First of all, you can write like this also, x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square, or x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus 1, both are the same. Okay, don't worry, because you are squaring it, so it doesn't matter. So we'll just write x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. So I will take this as x1 y1 in this case and this as x2 y2. So now you see x1, so x minus 5 square plus y minus 1 square. Okay, again this is x1 y1, in this case this will be x2 y2. So this is x minus of minus, so x plus 1 square plus y minus 5 whole square. So squaring on both the sides, squaring on both sides. Okay, what you will get? Yes, the square root style will go. So x minus 5 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square equal to x plus 1 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square. Now what you will use here? Yes, exactly the identity. a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, as well as the other identity a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so now let's apply x minus 5 square. So can I write x square minus 2 5s are 10x plus 25, correct? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Then again y minus 1 the whole square. So y square minus 2ab 2y plus 1. Then here a plus b. So x square plus 2x plus 1. And this will be y square minus 10y plus 25. Okay, so let's see what get cancelled. X square, y square, this 25, 25, 1, 1. Okay, so what remains? Minus 10x minus 2y equal to 2x minus 10y. So I will take this here, minus 10x, it will be minus 2x, minus 10y, this will be plus 2y. So minus 10x minus 2 is minus 12x, this is minus 8y. Cancel. 4 3s are 4 2s are. Okay, so the option is 3x equal to 2y. Yes, option A. Yes, understood. So this is, I will say, one of the important, okay, this type of problem, because here they will tell you to find the relation between x and y. That is also the question. Okay, it comes like that, find the relation between x and y. So you have this type of problems in your NCRT, you can just check out. So let's go for the next problem. Question number 26. The area covered by the minute hand of a clock of length 6 centimeter in 20 minutes is. Now see, in a clock, the total this angle in covered by the minute hand 60 minutes is how much? Yes, in 60 minutes the total angle means one rotation. So 360 degree angle, right? So in 60 minutes the minute hand covers 360-degree angle, right? So in 1 minute how much? Yes, 360 by 60, which is 6 degree. So just remember this for your all like clock problems in this type of. So 1 minute is equal to 6 degrees. So in 1 minute the angle covered by the minute hand is 6 degree. Okay. So in 1 minute 6 degree, the question is to find area covered by the minute hand of length 6 centimeter in 20 minutes. So in 20 minutes it will be how much? Yes, 6 into 20, which is 120 degree angle. So now length means what? The radius. Okay. So R is given to as 6 centimeter, area covered. So obviously area. So this they are asking now. See here, area covered in 20 minutes. So this area. So what? The area of the sector, right? So area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. So theta is how much? Theta is 120 by 360. Pi you don't need to put, see, you can see the options over here. Okay, so pi into r is 6 into 6. So 12 3s are, 3 2s are. So the answer is 6 2s are 12 pi centimeter square. Okay, so the answer is yes, option D, 12 pi. Okay, next problem. Question number 27. If minus 1 3 is the solution of the equation 3x minus ky equal to 9, then the value of k is. So minus 1 3 is the solution, means minus 1 3 satisfies the equation, right? So x is minus 1 here and y is 3. So 3 into x is what? Minus 1, k into 3 equal to 9. So minus 3k equal to 9. So minus 3k, 9 plus 3 is 12. So k equal to 12 upon minus 3, which is minus 4. So the option is option B, minus 4. Okay. Let's go for the next problem. Question number 28. The length of the longest chord of a circle of radius 5.4 centimeter. Yes, what is the longest chord of a circle? Longest chord of a circle. We know it is diameter, right? So diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So R is given to us 5.4. So D will be 2R. So 2 into 5.4, which is 10.8 centimeter. So the option is option D. Okay, 10.8 centimeter. Next problem. Question number 29. If the product of two numbers is 756 and the HCF is 6, then the LCM is. Yes, we know product of two numbers. Product of two numbers equal to HCF into LCM. So it is 756, HCF is 6, LCM we don't know, we are supposed to find. So LCM is equal to 756 by 6, 6 1 za, 6 2 za and 6 6 za. So the answer is option D, 126. Okay. Yes. Next problem. Question number 30. If a ball is drawn at random from a bag containing 7 red, 5 blue and 8 yellow balls, then the probability of getting a ball which is not yellow. Now you know that P of E, okay, plus P of E complement, which is equal to 1, right? Probability of even happening plus not happening equal to 1, right? So what is P of E complement? Complementary means they are called. So 1 minus what? P of E, right? So here we will find the probability of getting a ball which is yellow, okay, and then just subtract it from 1. So that will be the answer. So first, what are the total possible outcomes? Okay, total possible outcomes. So total number of balls. So 7 plus 5 plus 8, which is 20. Okay, now probability of getting a ball which is not yellow. So first I will find probability of getting a ball which is yellow. So that is P of E, I will say, getting a ball which is yellow. Okay, so which is P of E, which is equal to, so yellow balls how many? Yes, 8. Why 20? Okay, so 2 4 za, 2 10 za, 2 2 za, 2 5 za. Okay, 2 upon 5. Now P of E complement, that is getting a ball which is not yellow, will be what? 1 minus this 2 by 5. So cross multiply 5 minus 2 by 5, which is 3 by 5. So the answer is yes, option B, 3 upon 5. Okay. Yes. Next problem. Question number 22. If triangle ABC is right angle at C, then the value of cosec A plus B is. So first see, this is a triangle, right angle triangle, right angle at C, A, B, C. If angle C is 90, what will be the sum of A plus B? Exactly, it will be 90 only, because the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. Or you can check like this, see, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is how much? 180. So C is 90, so angle A plus angle B is 180, C is 90, so 180 minus 90 is 90, right? So A plus B will be 90. So they are asking us to find cosec A plus B. So exactly what? Cosec 90, right? A plus B is 90. So cosec 90 is what? Sin 90 is 1. So cosec is reciprocal. So which is 1. 1 upon 1. So the answer is option B, 1. Okay. Next problem. Question number 23. Two concentric circles have radii 20 cm and 15 cm. Therefore, the area of the region between the outer and inner circle is. So, you can see here concentric circles which have a common center. Okay. So, now they are asking us to find the area of the region between the outer and inner circle. So, the shaded part. Okay. Right. So how we can do this? Yes, simple. From the area of the outer circle, I will subtract the area of the inner circle. So what will remain? The shaded portion. Hmm? So now let's write radius of the outer circle. Okay. So let's take it as capital R, which is how much? 20 centimeter. Hmm? And radius of the inner circle. So equal to small r, 15 centimeter. Hmm? So area of the, you can see the shaded region, shaded portion is what? Area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. Okay, inner circle. So which is equal to pi r, we have taken capital, and here pi r square. Pi we will take common, so r square minus r square, small r square. So pi, what is capital R? 20 square, r is 15 square. So which is pi 400 minus 225, which is equal to 10 minus 5, 9 minus 2, 1. So 175 pi centimeter square. Now I have not substituted the value of pi because you can see the options over here. Okay, they have not given, they have told us not to substitute the value of pi. That's why the options are like this, right? So the correct options is A, 175 pi centimeter square. Understood? Okay. Next problem. Question number 31. The value of the trigonometric expression sine square 20 plus sine square 70 minus cosec square 45 is. So sine square 20 degree plus sine square 70 degree minus cosec square 45 degree. Okay. So 20 plus 70, 90. So we'll be using a complementary angles. So sine square. So in order to get 20, what should I subtract from 90? Yes, 90 minus 70, right? Plus sine square 70 minus cosec square 45 degree. So sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta, since it is square. So it will be cos square 70 plus sine square 70 minus cosec square 45. Okay, so cos square theta plus sin square theta, 1 minus cosec square 45. So what is cosec of 45 degree? Sine of 45 is 1 upon root 2. So cosec 45 is root 2 square. Okay, because it is square. So 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. So the answer, yes, option A, minus 1. Okay, understood? Next problem. Question number 32. If 5x plus 7y equal to 15 and 7x plus 5y equal to 21, then the value of x plus y is. Very easy problem. Just add this. Okay. 5x plus 7y is equal to 15 and 7x plus 5y is equal to 21. You want x plus y, so we have to add this equation. So adding these equations. Okay. So 5 plus 7 is 12x. Plus that is 12y equal to this is 36. Divide throughout by 12. So x plus y, 12 3s are 36. So x plus y is 3. So the option D. Next problem. Question number 33. The y coordinate of the point which divides the line segment joining the points P64 and Q2 minus 8 in the ratio 1:3 internally is. So this is the line segment PQ64 2 minus 8, and which is divided in the ratio 1:3. Okay, and we are supposed to find the point. Okay, let's say RXY. Okay, the point RXY, but we are only supposed to find y coordinate. Okay, so let's write section formula obviously. So Rxy. What is the section formula? Yes, m1 plus m2 mx2 plus m1x2 plus m2x1. Then again same m1 plus m2 m1y2 plus m2y1. Okay, we will take this as x1y1 x2y2, and this is m1 is to m2, 1 is to 3. So Rxy equal to, so this is 1 plus 3. Okay, again 1 plus 3. X2 is what? X2 is 2 and x1 is 6. Then again 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, y2 is minus 8 and y1 is 4. We only need the y coordinate, okay? So that's why we'll equate to just the y equal to this. So minus 8 plus 12 upon 4. So which is 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. So the answer is option B. Yes? Hope you understood. Next problem. Question number 34. On dividing the polynomial x cube plus 3x square minus 4x minus 12 by x minus 2, the quotient is. So let's divide x cube plus 3x square minus 4x minus 12, x minus 2. So what you will do here, see, take this x cube along with the sign plus it is and divide by this x. So 3 and 1 here, so how many x remains? 2 remains, right? X square. Just put this x square over here and multiply this whole x minus 2 by the x square. So see, first x into x square, x cube, minus into plus, minus 2 into x square, 2x square. So now this signs will change. Here it will be minus, this minus will go to plus. This cancels. So 3 plus 2, yes, 5x square. We'll take the next term down, that is 4x. Again the same thing. Take this 5x square divided by x. So what remains? 5 and 1x. Just put this plus 5x over here, okay? So now x into 5x, yes, 5x square plus into minus, minus 2 5s are 10x. Again the signs will change, minus, this will be plus. So minus 4 plus 10, 6x, and the remaining term, okay? So 6x upon x is just 6 plus 6. So plus 6 over here, okay? X into 6x minus 6 2s are 12. This minus, this is plus, so 0. So what is the answer? Yes, question is x square plus 5x plus 6. So the option C. Okay. Next problem. Question number 35. In a circle of radius 7 cm, if an arc subtends an angle of 90 degree at the center, then the length of the arc is. So a circle, okay, the center, so it subtends what? A 90 degree angle. Okay, suppose this is the circle with center O. So this arc subtends an angle of 90 degree. So what is the length of an arc? Yes, length of an arc of a circle. What is the formula? It is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, so theta is 90 upon 360 into 2 into 22 by 7. Pi is given 22 by 7. R is 7. 0 0 9 4 za 7 7 2 2 za 2 11 za. So the answer is 11 centimeter. Option A. Yes? Okay. Directly you have to just use the formula. Okay. Next problem. Question number 36. The pair of linear equations kx plus 6y equal to 7 and 2x minus 3y equal to 8 has a unique solution for all the values of k other than. Okay. So here you have to find the value of k which does not satisfy the condition for unique solution. Okay, see here, see the question. Has a unique solution for all the values of k other than. So you have to find that value of k which does not satisfy the condition for the unique solution. What is the condition for the unique solution? Yes, a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. So we will find the value of k which will not satisfy this condition. So obviously it will what? a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, right? So if we get that condition, that is a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, means that will be the answer of k. Okay. So let's see with the first, we'll go through the options one by one. First we'll write the equation kx plus 6y equal to 7 and 2x minus 3y equal to 8. Okay, so a1 is k, b1 is 6. Here a2 is 2, b2 is minus 3. So a1 upon a2, so a1 upon a2, so which is k upon 2, and b1 upon b2, which is equal to 6 upon minus 3, which is minus 2. So first we will take k as minus 4, so which is here minus 4 by 2, which is minus 2. So the first only, see, for the first value of k only, what you are getting, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, right? That means this value of k does not satisfy the condition for the unique solution, right? So yes, we have got the answer. We don't need to see the other options. So k equal to minus 4. Okay? Yes. Next problem. Question number 37. If A11, B minus 12, C25 and DA4 are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD, then the value of A is. Now, parallelogram, yes, what is a parallelogram? Whose opposite sides are parallel, right? And we know that the diagonals, that is AC and BD of a parallelogram, yes, they bisect each other, right? So what we can write is, see, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, correct? So can I say that the midpoint of AC, that is diagonal AC, will be equal to the midpoint of diagonal BD? Yes, because they bisect, right? So midpoint of AC will be equal to midpoint of BD. So now see, by using the midpoint formula, AC, okay, so 1 plus 2 by 2 and 1 plus 5 by 2, correct? Then here again midpoint of BD, minus 1 plus A by 2 and 2 plus 4 by 2. Yes, I now hope you know the formula. What is it? I will just write here midpoint formula. Yes, it is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, I have just directly done that. See, in the exams, nobody is going to see how much detail you have solved. They are just going to check the solution, whether you have marked the correct, option. So that's why I'm not, much paying attention to the writing work and all. Okay, so you have to find ways how you can save your time, right? So that you can solve all the problems as well as you get time to cross check them, okay, at the end. So next, okay, so we'll continue. So this is 3 by 2, 6 by 2, again minus 1 plus A by 2, and this is 6 by 2. So if you see, this is what, 3, again this is 3, okay. So let's equate now 3 by 2 because we want the value of A equal to minus 1 plus A by 2. Cross multiply 6 equal to, this is minus 2 plus 2A, which is 8 equal to 2A. Therefore, A is equal to 8 by 2, which is 4. Okay. So the answer is option D. So that is 4. So this is how you solve it. This type of problem is also there in your NCERT textbook. Okay, you can check it. Question number 38. Which of the following real numbers is irrational? Okay, so let's check one by one through the option. Root 49. Yes, root 49 is, we know it's 7. Okay, so first option is gone. Second C, 2 plus root 6. Now 2 is a rational. Root 6 is what? Irrational. So sum of rational and irrational is what? Yes, it is an irrational number. So the option is B. We don't need to check the other, okay? You can just see also if you want to. 4 into root 3 into root 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12. So that is again rational. And the last one you can use a square minus b square. Also you will get a rational number, okay? So this is the B is the correct option. Next problem. Question number 39. If tan 3 theta equal to sine 45 into cos 45 plus sine 30, then the value of theta is. So tan 3 theta equal to sine 45 into cos 45 plus sine 30. Okay. So tan 3 theta we will keep as it is. Sine 45 is 1 upon root 2 and cos 45 is also 1 upon root 2. Sine 30 is half. So 1 upon root 2 into root 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 2 plus 2, which is 2 by 2, 1. Okay, so tan 3 theta equal to 1. Now for which value of tan, the trigonometric, that is angle, it is 1, right? So we know for tan 45. So for tan 45, the ratio, it is the tan 45 is equal to 1, right? So tan gets cancelled, 3 theta equal to 45. So theta is equal to 45 by 3. So 3 15s. So the answer is option A, 15 degree. Okay. Next problem. Question number 40. The area of a circle that can be inscribed in a square of side 8 centimeter is. So if you see carefully, the diameter of the circle, okay, the diameter of the circle, okay, that is the maximum. If you see, if you put a circle like inside a square, the diameter will be same what as the side of the square. Yes, right? Even if I take from here, okay, the diameter, it will be same, no, as the side of the square. So can I write D is equal to 8 centimeter? Yes. So R will be what? Half of D, which is 4. So now area of circle is equal to pi R square. Pi we don't need to write the value, as you can see the options over here. So R is 4 square, so which is 16 pi centimeter square. Option C. Yes, understood. So we have completed all the 40 questions, okay, of model 2, model question paper level 2. So thank you. Let's see some more questions, like important questions chapter wise in our next upcoming videos. So do subscribe so that you get all the latest updates. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.